Hi children, welcome back to our English class. Well, today we are going to know about an important topic, an easy topic, that is dialogue writing. It is given in your intermediate public examination in section C. It carries 4 marks. It is a 4 marks question. So they will give 2 questions in that. They will give 2 questions. One will be the choice and you have to attempt 1 question. So once again I will tell you, it is very easiest question that you are going to attempt. It is 20th question. Let us talk in general. What is dialogue writing? In general, dialogue is a conversation between 2 or more people. Okay, we can write them in short or long. But what you have to do, you have to concentrate on the theme of the question very carefully and continue the dialogue very aptly, which is given. You have to choose it by the situations. Okay, let's discuss in detail dialogue writing. What is dialogue? It is a means of communication, vehicle of thought. If we want to communicate our feelings and thoughts, we need good command over English. We need good command over English. When 2 persons interact with each other for a purpose, it is called a dialogue. What is dialogue? It means a communication, vehicle of thought. If we want to communicate our feelings and thoughts, we need good command over language when 2 persons interact with each other for a purpose. In the earlier, I have told you that communication is very important while doing conversation or in dialoguing. What is important in dialoguing or conversation? Communication. There are 2 types of communications. Right? Communication is of 2 types. One is formal and the second one is informal. Now let us see formal communication. What is formal communication? Formal communication is used when talking to strangers, elders and others, and we have to talk with respect. So that is known as formal communication. Formal communication is used when talking to strangers, elders and others, and we have to talk with them respect. Now coming to the next one, informal communication. What is informal communication? Informal communication is used with one's near and dear, and it is a freestyle talk, talking with friends, family members, etc. So good communication in spoken English are an asset of communication among the people of different mother tongues. Now let's know formal situations or context. Okay, when people interact in your formal context, as in the classroom, student and teacher, at conference or in the office, subordinate and boss, the language is more formal with respect. So full sentences are spoken and the rules of grammar are surplusly followed. Fine? Okay. My dear students, now let us see a sample dialogue on formal situations, right? So this is a dialogue between principal and student, and the student is applying for a leave. Now let's see how the dialoguing or the conversation between principal and student is. Ranga is the student. Good morning, madam. Principal. Good morning, Ranga. May I come in, madam? Principal. Yes, come in, Ranga. What's the matter? Ranga. Madam, I need leave permission for 2 weeks. 2 weeks? What is the reason? Ranga. Madam, my sister is getting married. Principal. All right, but get the notes updated, okay? Ranga. Okay, madam. Thanks a lot, madam. So, in this way, we can write the formal conversation in your examination. Okay, I hope you understood. Now, students, let us know informal situations or contexts. Okay, there are many people we know fairly well and with whom we share personal relationships, like our friends, and our near and dears, relatives, etc. When we interact with them, the context is said to be an informal one. So when we talk with our friends, chatting with each other, and children talking to their parents, these are typical examples of informal context. In such situations, even the language spoken by both parties is informal. Informal means very friendly. It may not follow the rules of grammar, but the contractions are common. Okay, now see a dialogue on informal situation. This is a dialogue between two friends. One is Aparna and one is Archana. Let's see how the dialogue will go on. Hi Archana. Hi Apu. How are you? Not seen for a long. Well dear, rather busy with exams. And what's the news at your end? Nothing much. The same boring routine. Okay then, I will get you back. Take my mobile number. Okay, see you now. Bye. Bye bye, dear. Text me in WhatsApp. So, in this way, we can write informal situation in your examinations. Okay, fine. I hope you understood it very well. While writing a dialogue, you have to write minimum 8 to 10 exchanges, right? 8 to 10 exchanges. Exchanges means dialogues. Okay, if you write 8 to 10 exchanges, you will be awarded good marks in your examination by the examiner or the valuation or the person who is evaluating your paper. Okay, so, and I hope that you understood about dialogue writing. Let me give you some work. Okay, my dear students, that's all for this class. Let us meet you in our next class with another important topic from your intermediate public examination. Until then, keep practicing your English and other subjects also. Thank you, my dear students. Thanks for watching the video.